Put the coil on the gear. Now put the magnetic probe. See the temperature. Temperature is 42 degree and we have set it at 35 seconds. Now we are heating. Start the cycle. Induction started. You see time is reducing and temperature is rising. Temperature is reached to 70 degrees, 275, up to 275 temperature is reached. We are planning for 300 degrees. Yes, now it has reached 300 degrees. Now remove the magnetic probe. Remove the coil. Keep the coil safely. Now with both the hands, remove the gear. You see how easily the gear has come out. Thank you for watching induction heaters for removing gears. Thank you.